Welcome to Auto Ritual. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a Sky Q mini box that not responding to the remote.
Fix 1. Pair the remote. Step 1. Press and hold the 1 and 3 buttons together until the LED flashes. Step 2. Place the remote close to the Sky Q mini box. Step 3. Wait until the LED turns solid. Remote is paired. Fix 2. Check IR or Bluetooth connection. Step 1. Make sure nothing is blocking the mini box's IR sensor. Step 2. For Bluetooth remotes, ensure the mini box is powered on. Fix 3. Restart the Sky Q mini box. Step 1. Unplug the mini box from power. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and wait for it to fully boot. Fix 4. Reset the remote. Step 1. Hold the TV and back buttons together for 5 seconds. Step 2. LED will flash. Release buttons. Step 3. Pair the remote with the mini box.